Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mel's Talking Hands, and today I have a special guest with me. It is going to be Hubby. We're going to be opening Hubby's birthday gifts, and we are celebrating one day early because on his actual birthday we're going to take the whole day to spoil him. So the kids and I wanted to give him his birthday presents. So this is as much as I can get Hubby on for now, but let's see how we go. So say hello to Hubby's hands. Okay. Hi, Hubby.
Hi. Nice to meet all of you.
Okay, so this is Hubby, and yeah, we're going to be giving him his birthday present. So yeah, his birthday is tomorrow, and let's start off with the very first gift. Okay, first up is this gift. So I'll let Hubby unwrap it.
All right. I have no idea what this is. And plus, I've never unboxed a birthday present live before. So this is going to be different. So
Yeah.
just open it.
Yeah, just rip it, it's fine.
Oh wow, it's something from Laurel.
Yes, Loewe. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Loewe. Let me just move the...
Can I open it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay. I have a feeling I know what this might be. Oh, nice.
Do you know what it is?
It's a card holder.
Yes, so let me see if I can get... I might have to do a close-up of it. I don't know if you can tell, but this has got Loewe's embossing all throughout. Let me just see if I can get it a bit more closer to show you. So it is really understated. It's embossed all through the back. If you open it up, there is space for a lot of card slots. It's all black, so you might not be able to tell, but it's super, super soft. So the reason why I bought Hubby this is because one, I know that he was looking for a new card holder, and two, he likes things that are really low key and understated. So yeah, so this is the Loewe card holder. Do you like it?
I really like it. And I like the colour too. It's good. And I can fit heaps of cards in there as well.
Yeah, so you said that you needed something.
Oh look, it says Laurel there.
Yeah, it says Loewe. So Loewe, this is made in Spain. So I love Loewe's leathers. Loewe is such a good brand if you want something understated. I've actually done a video on low-key bags I think you should buy and ones you should avoid. I'll link that above. And I've also done another video on my own 10 low-key bags I own. So if you were interested, check the description bar below. This one here, I just thought it would be perfect for him because, yeah, he doesn't really like too much logos and you can't really tell. So I think it's going to fit quite a lot.
I think so.
Yeah. Did you know I was going to get this?
No, but when I saw the box, I had a feeling I knew what it was.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so next up is something in here. This one I think you probably know.
Really? Okay, let's have a look. Uh-oh.
You have to undo the double knot. So as you guys can probably tell, Hubby is quite hairy. I'll probably get comments on that, but that's okay.
It's all right. No, I have no idea what this is.
Okay. Oh, it's one way round, but that's okay.
Oh, I know what this is. You saw me looking at this.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is exactly what I was looking at. You knew.
Yeah, I knew. So this is actually a Dolce & Gabbana belt. It's from Louisa V Aroma. I saw Hubby looking at this. He was actually looking for a very understated belt for work. And this one here was perfect because on one side it's black and it's pebbled, but the other side is a really dark brown. And he wears dark brown a lot and you can't even tell what the belt is. And the only reason why I bought it is because he was like, oh, I really like this. And he never says that. So I was like, okay. And then it was really good because this is actually 40% off. Louisa V Aroma have like 40 or 50% off this certain section. So I'll link it down below. But yeah, you can just interchange it two sides. So it's reversible. I think there's a couple more left. So I think that'll be useful for you for work.
That's great. I love it. Thanks.
So that's the one you wanted, right?
That's exactly the one.
So that's why I bought this, because I took note. Okay, so next up is something I'm really excited about. I researched this myself. I don't know if he's gonna like it because he's very particular.
I'm not particular.
You're particular. And it's in here. And I'm gonna explain it once he opens it up. I mean, I have... Okay, I'll just let him open it up and then we'll see.
You know I don't need another tie, right?
It's not a tie. It's not a tie. This one I'm a little bit nervous about because he's super... Yeah, and I'll just let him open it up.
Just gonna rip it open, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not a tie.
Nope.
Oh, you got me a watch.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, wow. This is cool. How would you know which one to get me?
I don't. So I've been looking up YouTube videos and... Okay, let me explain, okay? So hubby...
Can I open it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. See if you like it.
Oh, I love Japanese watches.
I know. I don't know anything about watches, guys. And let me just tell you why I picked it. Okay, I really hope you like it. Okay, open it.
Open it?
Yeah, open it.
Oh, wow. And I have not got a dress watch. This is my first dress watch.
Okay, can I explain why I got this?
Can I just take it out and have a look first?
Okay, take a look.
Oh, that's a really nice dial. It's like a sunburst dial.
Okay, yeah, so...
All right, there you go.
So guys, I will do a close-up of this, but Seiko is, a Japanese brand. This watch I actually bought pre-loved. I've been hunting for this watch. I think my taste is very different from hubby's. He likes the more sportier type watches, like the dive watches, but I like more plain watches. I think this is really classy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this looks like it's white, but in some lights it's even got a tinge of blue. And I had to buy this pre-loved because it's not made anymore. And apparently this edition is only from Japan. Do you actually know?
You can only get that one in Japan.
Do you know which one it is?
I know it now because it's quite well known.
Oh, okay. So this is, I don't know if I'm saying it is a Seiko Saab 065.
That's the one.
Yeah. And I know you don't really like, I know you've already got another Seiko watch and stuff, but I just thought this was really pretty. Okay, so I don't like the band. I've actually ordered an ostrich tan band for him. I think that will look so good. Do you want to try it on?
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay, so yeah, it looks really good.
Oh, look at that. That looks great.
So I think from us trying on other watches, this is 39, I think.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm not
well,
sure.
but his wrists are quite small, so I didn't want it to overwhelm him, but I think it'll look so much better with an ostrich strap to really, I don't know, change things up a bit. It's a bit hard. It's blowing out a little bit, but I just think it's a very pretty looking watch, very classic. And yeah, that's why I bought it. And I did a lot of research. I know, like, look, hubby is, when we want to get other watches, I think he'll have to try it on. But Seiko, from what I've researched, is a really good brand for watches that are really affordable. You can get really good watches for under $1,000.
Yeah, and because I'm not a watch expert, I think this is great. And I love Japanese watches, so I think you did really well.
Thank you. No, seriously, do you like it?
I do, and it suits my hairy arms too.
Is there watches that suit your hairy arms? Is there such a thing?
Well, this one does.
Yeah, so this one is really hard to find. If I do find any, I'll link them below. But yeah, it was the only one I found. I've been looking for a couple of months, and yeah, I just think it's very classic, and you kind of can't go wrong with such a classic watch like this. And I don't know if you guys saw, but when we were in Sydney, hubby really likes Grand Seiko watches, so maybe that's next. But I thought this was just a nice, I don't think it's vintage, a nice pre-loved watch that you can't get anymore.
Thanks, give me a kiss.
Okay, so now it's time for the kids to give hubby his present.
Oh.
So they're both here, they've wrapped it up. Okay, so I'm going to ask the kids to come on screen now with their hands.
Oh, that's nice wrapping, kids.
Yeah.
Looks like a bottle of wine, right?
Yup. Exactly.
No, it's not a bottle of wine. All right, I'm going to open it, okay?
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
And you guys can talk through what it is.
So this is wrapping paper.
Very nice.
All our hard work.
Oh, wow, it looks like a bottle of Dom. Thank you.
Flip it up.
So,
Oh, upside down.
Clarks. Clarks?
It says clinks.
Oh, clinks! I thought you bought me Clark shoes. Not that there's anything. Oh, wow. Is this my future collection?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
So if you,
Oh, that's
why
really
did
creative.
what did you guys do?
So we got him a watch box, but the photos are kind of disorientated now. But
Oh, that's so cute,
yeah,
guys.
Dad's been collecting watches, so we put all his future
Okay.
watch.
Wow, that's
wish
very
list, yeah.
creative.
Hold on, let's put this down. So hubby, hopefully by the end of the year or next year, we are on the waiting list to get, you know, a Rolex. So one of these ones, that's so cute,
Yes, please.
are these. So that's good. That's the space for your new watch. But
Oh,
the
my
kids,
diving watch is here amongst
Yeah.
the collection.
yeah, that's the Seiko diving watch. But yeah, he wants Rolex, the Batman, or the Oyster Perpetual Rhodium, I think,
Yeah, rhodium,
Rhodium.
dark rhodium.
or
Oh,
even
that's
this
very
one.
creative, guys. Thank you.
And yeah, they, you know, Sunshine was really good. He went through and looked through. What did you do?
Spent time researching which box would be appropriate for my dad's collection.
Why'd you pick this one?
Just a simple, classic look. Still has the window there, so you can show off your display. But yeah, just
What's all this?
Oh, no, you
Oh,
can peel that off.
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, and then just the classic looking.
And it had to be black, obviously.
Yeah, black's my favorite.
I love it, Sunshine. I love it, Missus. Thank you.
So yeah, that's your future watches, your watch wish list box, and we'll tick them off as you go.
Sounds good.
So that is it, guys. That is hubby's birthday presents. The kids tomorrow are still planning a little something just as an extra surprise. But hubby got the watch box from the kids, the belt, the Seiko watch, and also, it's all black, I realized, and also the Loewe card holder. So I really hope you liked all these presents.
I sure did. Thank you.
And that is it. That's our quick reveal of hubby's birthday gifts. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did like this quick hands-only family edition video, don't forget to give the video
A thumbs up.
a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, it looks so much better without all this plastic. And I think this is 100% wood. That's why you chose it. And what else?
And it just has that nice glass lid here, so we can see through this. And yeah, it's not plastic, and it's got this nice hinge here.
Yeah, because some of them have the
Oh,
string,
yeah.
don't they? Good choice.
Thanks.